guys, Sam from the Body Centre here. Welcome to our latest YouTube video in collaboration with our partners, Appreciating Classics. As you can see behind me, we have something very, very special. It is the Nissan GTR R34 V-spec 2 in the iconic Bayside Blue. Now, later on in the video, I'm going to go into depth on what is actually happening to this car, parts-wise. The guys down at Appreciating Classics have got the biggest list you have ever seen of Nismo parts. They are all genuine Nismo parts. They are going on everywhere. Now, as the car stands here now, you can see we have a new front bumper, we have the new wings. We're going to open up the bonnet and show you what's under there as well, because that is exceptional. The cost of the new parts gone onto here, insane. But what we are going to be doing, so our part of this car's journey is going to be to repaint the bumper and the wings. But it's not as simple as that. With these parts being carbon, we're going to be detail masking certain sections out to leave some exposed carbon over there. It's going to have obviously clear coat over it, but we want some carbon showing through along with the blue. Now, I'm going to stop talking. Let's get into the workshop because I can't wait to show you around this car. Keep watching, guys. So guys, I'm here with the main man, Richard from ACL. Now we've been doing work with ACL and Richard before ACL was even born. Yeah. Which is, I think we're into our 13th or 14th year now.
Yeah, about 13 years now, yeah.
Doing work for the guys. It started off as a hobby, didn't it?
That's right, yeah, me and Steve started it as a hobby.
Steve, yeah, and we started off with a lot of old Fords, I believe, at the start.
Fiestas, Capris.
Yeah. And
we still got some of that stuff tucked away.
Yeah. Huge money. Richard can sell anything. All the boys here say I can sell ice to an Eskimo, but this guy, he can sell anything. He's broken some records as well.
Quality sales.
Definitely, 100%. And the projects that Richard's given us over the years has been unbelievable. We've done every car you can think of, all the way from the old Fords to Countachs, all the Lamborghinis.
Yeah.
We've actually got 3 or 4 of your GTRs here just today.
GTRs, yeah.
And you got more at the unit. Yeah. They just keep coming. Richard is like waves. So thank you for all the projects over the years, Richard.
Thank you, mate.
I can promise you, the GTR is in the workshop when Nelly's on. It's going to be perfection.
I'm looking forward to that one. I think that's the most excited I've been about one, to be honest.
Yeah, this is a very, very special one. Yeah. So make sure you subscribe to ACL, guys. I'll get Jake to put Richard's tag in somewhere. Follow them. They've got some unbelievable cars. And I can't wait to show you this one at the end. So guys, we are now we're actually not in the strip stage. It's already been stripped. What we're doing now is, we're now dry fitting the wings just to get them to fit absolutely perfectly. What we don't want to do is take them off, rub them down, prime them, paint them, put them back on, and then realise that it's not all lining up perfectly. So Nelly's now going to get the fitment perfect, then paint them, then fit it properly. So guys, we have now come to the end of the video, and I think we can all agree this is an exceptionally special car. It's probably one of the most expensive cars we've ever had here at the Body Centre. This is owned by a VIP, and I'm not going to get into that. I'll let, obviously, Richard announce that if he wants to. But yeah, very, very special customer who owns this. Some serious money has been spent on it. So we're absolutely honoured to be able to complete our part of this project. Obviously, a huge amount of work has gone into this vehicle over at ACL as well. But yeah, for us to be trusted to complete all the paint work and obviously all the fitment of the body panels to this car, really, really honoured. So thanks again, ACL. Really, really appreciate it. Now, I did say at the start of this video that I was going to go into depth and obviously say what's happening to the vehicle and what parts have gone on. There's an incredible amount of Nismo parts gone on to the vehicle, but I'm not going to go into depth on that. I'm going to let the professional Richard at ACL, I'll let him do that bit. Because I don't want to miss anything and I don't want to sort of describe anything incorrectly, because like I said, this is a very special car and deserves the professionals to actually say what's really gone into it and what parts have gone on. But I hope you guys have enjoyed our section of this video. The team have done an incredible job. Absolutely incredible job, so massive shout out to the lads in our workshop here. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed our section of this video, guys. We're now going to shoot back over to ACL and let them finish off the rest of this video. Hope you enjoyed our bit. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you, Richard, ACL. See you all next time.